Hey foodies, AJ here. Welcome back. Today we're going to make one of my favorite dishes, spinach rice. I learned about this dish when I was in Greece, and I gotta say, the flavors of this dish will blow your mind away. We're going to start with a fresh head of mint, and you're going to give that a nice fine chop. And then we're going to take a head of dill weed and give that a coarse chop, and make sure not to cut your fingers. Then you're going to take a few sprigs of green onion and give them a rough chop as well. While placing your beautiful greens to the side, you're going to take a glug of oil, roughly 1/3 of the cup. Next time I'm going to make sure I pour it directly from the bottle and not a closed pointed squeezing because it took forever. And into that oil we're going to take a Spartan sized cup of medium green rice. You want to go with a medium green. If you use a long green, it's not going to be as creamy. Now you're going to saute this on a medium high. Make sure not to brown the rice. We just want to get it translucent. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Now we're going to add the spinach. You can use fresh, but make sure you wilt it before you add it to this recipe. I use about 300 grams of frozen spinach and let it thaw it out. Throw in your herbs, your dill, your mint, and your onion. And into this, you're going to add about 2.5 cups of cold filtered water. Careful not to make a mess. Give it a stir and bring it up to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, it should be slightly loose and creamy. Go ahead and squeeze half a lemon onto the top of the rice, then just a little bit of good quality olive oil, and sprinkle with some feta cheese. And the feta cheese is really going to make this thing pop. Grab a handy spoon and try out the rice. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is my favorite rice of all time. It's creamy, zingy, salty, it's a bit of everything. And oh man, it is good. Give this a try at next dinner, your guests will not be disappointed. The Foodie, out. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe for more foodie videos. See you guys in the next one.